Hey view riders, thanks for joining me. Just want to tell you about another little Andromeda product, Andromeda Moto. These are the Meteor winter gloves. Now basically all the same protection as the original Meteor, but with a thicker lining. And not sure how much the GoPro is going to pick up, but yeah, it's definitely thicker than the original one, original glove. And just as plush, to be honest, if not plusher. I really do like the lining in these. Yet again, fit is pretty much perfect. They did send me one size up from my regular size, so I did a 2XL, and I usually take a 2XL. And yeah, this is probably wise, as they fit pretty much perfectly. So if you are going to get a pair of these, go for the next size up that you normally take. But same again as the regular ones, they look really good. They feel really comfortable on your hand, and you've got that extra bit of warmth inside. Now bear in mind, these are designed for Spanish winters, not UK winters. So excuse me while I get my leg over. So yeah, they'll be fine. I mean, it's 14-15 degrees today, and absolutely these are pretty much perfect temperature. So yeah, they're pretty much bang on. But yeah, down to about 10 degrees I'd say you'll be alright, but anything below 10 you might struggle. So Andromeda are in the process of developing a proper winter glove, so watch this space. But for now, as I said, it's about 14-15 degrees today, and I'm actually pretty toasty. There's no heated grips on my Aprilia, and yeah, it's feel really nice today. So yeah, down to about 10 degrees I think you'll be fine. Maybe even about 7 or 8, but let's get this way. So in practice on the bike, what did I feel like? Well, pretty much the same as the regular Meteors, to be honest, which is plenty of feel, really comfortable. So just got that extra bit of padding. It did feel a bit stiff at first, but is really, now I've been using them for a couple of runs, they're bedding in nicely. So yet again, as per the regular Andromeda Meteor gloves, there's very little I can fault about them. If you've seen my original video on the my own pair of Meteors, these have been, full disclosure, these have been sent to me by Andromeda to review. But my original Meteors I paid for myself, and bear in mind that Andromeda, I've actually said I can review this as I wish, so I'm not going to bullshit you. So yeah, the only issue I had with the original pair of Andromedas was the one of the velcros had started to wear a bit, so I had that replaced. But apart from that, no quality issues whatsoever, can't complain. So in practice, yeah, plenty of feel, got good movement. I mean, I've got a really good feel for the bars and the braking clutch levers. And as usual with these, I wanted to go that way, didn't I? Damn. Yeah, as usual with these gloves, you've got all the protection on them. So you've got scaphoid, knuckle, even fingers, abrasion bits on the abrasion resistant material on the fingers. Yeah, it's a well thought out glove. As per the standard Meteors, unfortunately they are not CE rated, but as I keep repeating, I trust Andromeda with my skin, so I have every faith in these gloves. If I didn't, I wouldn't be riding with them. The only problem with that obviously is that if you want to use these in France, if you want to ride with these on tour in Europe, you can't use them in France because it would be illegal to ride with them, so that's one thing to bear in mind. Also, I have not yet had the chance to get out and test them in the rain. Annoyingly, it was actually due to rain today, but it stayed dry, so yeah, so jury will remain out on that waterproofness, but if it's anything like these standard Meteors, I don't expect miracles from them in the wet. But again, until I get to try them out in the rain, the jury's out. But if you've got a sporty bike and you like to go out most of the year, just not in the coldest months, then these might do. If you've got some heater grits as well. But just be warned that when it gets really cold, they're not going to cut the mustard. But as I said today, I'd say they're even slightly warm, I'd say, to be honest. At about 14 degrees that we are now. There is a bit of wind chill as well, so it probably actually feels colder than that, really. As per usual with Andromeda products, they also look amazing. They really do look good. I love that Andromeda Moto. I'm not sure you can... Andromeda Moto logo, sorry, I'm not sure you can see it on there. But they look cool, although I prefer them in black, fully in black. But you can't have everything. So that's my first impressions on the Meteor winter gloves. Stay tuned for part 2 in the next few months. Over and out.